Dude, ever since, did you see that? When she heard the little thing to turn on the thing. No. I'm saying when she heard that thing, you know, where it's recording, she straight up started like. Go ahead, put on a show, baby. Okay, Sabrina, do the evil laugh.
Nee, maar met Paulsen. Sabi, now, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, in your face you show it. Sabi, mat roze kara. Oh my goodness, what a piggy. Sabi, you want to be a piglet for Halloween? Piglet? Yeah? Okay, no more piggies. No more piggies. Okay, kiss. Steven. I love you, baby. There, let's do a nose kiss. Nose kiss. Ow. Sabi, show your sticker. Where's your sticker? Your sticker on your hand. There it is. Butterfly sticker. Who gave it to you? Where did you get that from? Did Catherine give it to you? Yeah? At therapy? Yeah? You want another beef? Are you tired? Yes? Are you tired? Did they make you work hard at school? Oh, that's my fat. She's grabbing my fat. Sabrina, I love you. You're so beautiful. I wanted to sleep. I want to take her out. You want to go?